Want to know how to see your website stats in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com. Now, once you've opened WordPress.com, here you should be welcomed with your credit site. So just simply select this three dot right here that should be right under actions and then select WP admin. This will open up your admin page of your current website. Now once you're there, since you want to check stats right under my home, you should be seeing stats right here. Just simply select it. And once that is done, your stats page should be loading in a bit. So right here, you should be seeing your stats of last 7 days where your views will be shown right here with visitors, likes, comments, feedbacks and much more. Here you can also unlock site growth analytics. So here you can also see insights, subscribers and much more. You can also change calendars by selecting this calendar icon and do it accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.